Hi guys, today I want to make a video explaining how elemental resistances work in Tibia because it's a question I often get, okay? So the question we will try to answer in this video is why is the overall character elemental damage reduction not equal to the sum of all the reduction from the individual items, okay? So here we have an example. We have a character of 8% fire protection from the dragon necklace, 2% fire protection from the fabulous legs, 15% fire protection from the falcon shield, and 5% fire protection from the suncatcher. So when you sum all of these up, that's 30% total, right? That's what we'd expect to get overall. Well, wrong. We actually only get 27% effective fire protection, and you can check this by going into Cyclopedia and into your character sheet and into combat stats. So how does the math work in Tibia? Tibia uses a system known as multiplicative resistances, not an additive system. So what this means is we can't simply add all of the resistances together like we see on the left. We actually need to use a formula where we kind of multiply them. And what this means in effect is that the more individual resistances you have from the items, the less valuable each percentage is, the less worth it is, okay? So in this example, we have 30% total, which is effectively 27%. But the more you have, the more you notice this, okay? If you had 90% overall resistances from a number of items, the effective resistance would be way lower than that, you know, something around 50 or 60%, I think. Well, anyway, here is the formula to work out the overall resistances, and it's total resistance is equal to 1 minus bracket 1 minus the first resistance on the item times 1 minus the second resistance on the item for however many items you do have. And if we plug in the numbers from the example here, this is 1 minus 008 times 1 minus 002, and these values are coming from the 8% from the dragon necklace, 2% from the fabulous legs, etc. And when we actually work this out, we get 1 minus 0.92 times 0.98 times 0.85 times 0.95, which is actually equal to 1 minus 0.728, which is actually equal to 0.272, which is rounded up or rounded down rather to 27%, which is equal to the fire damage reduction in the character sheet. So that's how it works. And the most important takeaway from this is to be aware that the more resistances you have, the less valuable each additional resistance is, okay? So once you start getting numbers like 30, 40% effective damage reduction, each further percentage point is worth a lot less, and you're going to have to invest a lot more to get more effective resistances. So it's probably worth at a certain point to switch to a different reduction, okay? So it's not really worth investing 70, 80, 100% fire reduction because it's never effectively going to be as strong, okay? So I hope this answers this question as I get it quite often on my stream. And if you did enjoy the video, then please make sure to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any other ideas for other videos or anything you'd like me to make. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.